Imagine that someone asks you to find the bug in this file. I think this is not going to be an easy task, because it's really hard to read this file. Long lines, no spaces between elements, wrong spaces. For example, let's compare it with formatted file. It's much easier to read. But unfortunately, you have this file and you need to do something with it. And of course, you can try to fix it manually by adding spaces, new lines, and so on. But let's be honest, this is going to take a lot of time, and it's much easier to click one button. Hello, my name is Dmitrii, and in this video I want to show you a tool that did this. This tool is called Formatter, and it's important to say that computer can understand unformatted code as well. To show this, let's restore file. I need to save it before. Let's restore it and run server. And open readable code, range, drag and drop, button, text input, everything works. And now let's open unreadable code, range, drag and drop, button, and text. Everything works. It means that Formatter is a tool that helps make code more readable for humans, not for computers. And Formatter cannot even fix file that is broken for computers. For example, let's save this file with broken syntax. Computer cannot open it, but can open unformatted file. And Formatter cannot format this. Let's try format error. There are a lot of formatters for different languages, but in this video I want to show you Prettier. Prettier is a tool that works really well with JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and other languages that are used in front-end development. There are at least two ways of using Prettier. The first is terminal. Let's fix syntax issue and open terminal. We need to run npx Prettier with check mod to check everything in our current folder. You need to have Node.js to use npx. Okay, we see problems in 3 files, JS, HTML, and CSS. Yeah, we have problems in them. And now let's fix them with npx Prettier and change mod to write in this folder. And all files are fixed. CSS, HTML, and JS. And another way is using plugin in your editor. And Prettier supports a lot of editors. And now let's move to VS Code, extensions, and find Prettier. Okay, let's install it. Okay, and now let's open settings and change default formatter to Prettier. And I suggest to enable this option. It's going to help you to format files on safe, and it's super convenient. Let's move to our project and reset all files. Restore. And now let's save this file. And it's formatted. And this file is formatted as well. And now you can use format button. Format document. It's formatted. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Bye!